What if you could stop AI-generated code from shipping bugs before it ever leaves your terminal? Let's build something that will show you how. If you are using Claude Code, Gemini, Cursor, or any of the new AI coding agent in your terminal, this is the missing link. CodeRabbit CLI reviews your code before it ships, catching bugs, bad logic, and even AI slop at terminal velocity. Installing takes one line, no plugins, no dashboards, just your terminal. Here's some AI-generated code. Looks fine, but there's a subtle bug hiding. This is where AI CLI CodeRabbit shines. Using the -- plain option, I get a clean, no-frills review I can scan instantly in the terminal. Or if I want to hand the output to my AI agent, I can run it with -- prompt - only and pass the review context straight back for an autofix. No context lost, my agent fixes the bug right where it started. Free AI code reviews works with all agents. One-click fixes. This video is brought to you by CodeRabbit, the most installed AI app on GitHub Marketplace. Now in your terminal. It's free to use, reviews happen instantly, and it integrates with any AI coding agent you already rely on. Whether you are staging, committing, or just experimenting, CodeRabbit CLI is the safety net that keeps your AI-assisted code production ready. And now that our code is free from AI hallucination, let's get back to building. Here's the stack we will use: CrewAI for orchestrating agents, CopilotKit for a front-end UI, and OpenAI for reasoning. If you want to follow along, I will leave the repo link in the description. Here's what we are building: a restaurant finder that shows CodeRabbit catching real issues in AI-generated code. CrewAI orchestrates our agent. CopilotKit gives us a front end. And CodeRabbit keeps our code bulletproof. Let's see why that last part is absolutely critical. We start by cloning the repo and dropping in API keys. But here's the issue. Even this simple setup needs CodeRabbit watching for security issues. CrewAI gives us two agents, research and recommendation. Simple, clean, but CodeRabbit will catch issues even in simple code. 3 tasks: search, curate, respond. The beauty of AI agents is speed. But speed means bugs slip through, unless CodeRabbit catch them first. Here's our CrewAI implementation ready to run. 2 agents working together to find restaurants. But before this goes to production, let's see what CodeRabbit find about our code quality. Watch this. CodeRabbit just caught a critical CVE vulnerability in our fast API dependency. CVE 2024-24762. This is a real security flaw that would have made it to production. CodeRabbit does not just find issues, it tells us exactly how to fix them. And that's not all. Earlier, it caught a hard-coded secret too. This is why every AI coding workflow needs CodeRabbit as the final checkpoint. In one command, CodeRabbit caught a critical CVE vulnerability and hard-coded secret that would have made it to production. No manual reviews, no waiting. Just instant AI-powered security scanning at terminal speed. So, could you use GitHub built-in code review? Sure, but it's manual and slow. Could you skip code review entirely? Maybe, but you are gambling with production bugs. CodeRabbit gives you AI-powered reviews at terminal speed, while keeping your code bulletproof. AI coding agents are only getting faster, but quality is non-negotiable. CodeRabbit is your safety net, catching bugs, security flaws, and performance issues before they reach production. And today you saw how it integrates seamlessly with modern AI workflows like CrewAI and CopilotKit. If you learned something here, hit like, drop a comment about your experience with AI code review, and subscribe for next tutorial. See you then.